Hi, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to have top 3 tips on cleaning your teeth, and it's going to be really simple and absolutely to the point, and these are the things that absolutely you have to do, and then you'll keep your smile for life. So here they are, top 3 tips, and it's really simple. But remember, the fundamental thing is that you need to get all the biofilm, all the creamy deposit that we call plaque, off of the teeth. Scientifically, this has been proven to be the key thing to cleaning your mouth, getting biofilm off. Now, you might want to consider visiting the hygienist and having a clean to remove some tartar. Tartar is a kind of hardened plaque. It forms especially in this area on the lower at the back, and you can't get that off. But let's assume that you've been to see the hygienist, you've had a super duper clean up, and you're all ready to go. What are the top 3 tips? Well, firstly, remember that the plaque builds at the gum level here. All right, cleaning here is great. That's a super duper thing to do. But if you don't clean here, specifically where the pink gum meets the tooth, you are definitely missing a trick. So tip number 1, you have to get your brush down on the gums. It doesn't matter how far down they are and where they are, you have to get the brush onto that area, okay? And then once you've done that, you can have a bit of fun doing the rest. And you have to get down here. But you probably noticed that it's not getting between the teeth. So tip number 2 is to use one of these little boys. It's called a pixter, and you can then push it through, and you can quite clearly see that that is going to push out any food debris or plaque debris that's in between the teeth. So tip 1, tip 2, but sometimes you'll find that that pixter won't go into the gap there. Definitely won't go into that one, and this is the smallest one they make. So then you have to use some floss, and that's tip number 3. So we need to work the floss just gently with this. I like this particular way of presenting floss on this little bow here, which pixters make as well, and you need to just move that in, and don't worry about the twang. Okay, that's fine, it'll go twang. So what you need to do is to saw it between the teeth just gently so that it goes between there, and then as you feel it go through, you need to just reduce the pressure a little bit. You can actually bite this down into position a little bit, so you can close your lower jaw onto the upper jaw, and that will tend to drive this down into that gap as well. Alright, so we need to remove all the plaque, and the only way that we can possibly do that is to use all 3 tips. And if you're not doing all 3 things every 12 hours, that's twice a day, you're definitely having some problems with the gums and the teeth. So get on and do that, and then you'll have a happy, healthy, confident smile for life. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to keep your smile for life.